Hi, my name is Benjamin, and today I'm going to do my experiment. It is about the simple pendulum. In this example, this is going to be my pendulum. It is a little bit broken, but we don't care. Um, in this case, the pendulum is 1.86 meters in length, and to be able to have a simple pendulum of 15 degrees, it will need to be 49 centimeters from the center of the pendulum to its max point, and we are going to measure how much time it takes for it to go back and forward, and that will give us the period, and with that we will be able to take the frequency too. My sister is the one that is going to take the time. She is behind the camera, and this is the first example. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now time. We can see that it took 2.37 seconds to go back and forward. This is the period. The period is the time it takes for the pendulum to go back and forward, and the frequency is the amount of times the pendulum goes back and forward in 1 second. Okay, so now for the next example, we are going to take a pendulum of 1.81 meters, and the distance from the center of the pendulum to the stick is going to be 48 centimeters. In a moment, I'm going to change it. Okay, so now the length of this pendulum is 1.81 meters, and the distance between the center of the pendulum and this stick is 48 centimeters. And now we are going to take the time it takes for it to go back and forth, and this will be the period. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How much was it? The time was 2.39 seconds, and we are going to repeat this experiment 5 more times to be able to get more numbers, to be able to get a better and more precise result. Okay, and now for our last pendulum, it is going to be 1.76 meters, and the distance between the center of the pendulum and the stick is going to be 47 centimeters. Okay, now to get the time or the period of the pendulum, we're going to take how much time it takes for the pendulum to go back and forth. 1, 2, 3. The time was 2.15 seconds. And now we are going to repeat this experiment 5 more times to be able to get more results and to be able to see how accurate we were with the measurements. Okay, now thank you for your attention, and then I'm going to upload the results to the Word document.